So if you've been wondering why I haven't been working on the Yaris recently, this is why. There's snow. Yeah, we've had one of the craziest storms in California's history. I'll say California's history. Yeah. So stuff's there's snow. My neighbor was nice enough to plow the driveway for me so I could get the truck in here just so I can pick up some things that I can work on for the Yaris and take them down the mountain and work on them down there. But yeah, I'm not getting the Yaris out of here anytime soon. So